Pi Network officially registered its trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This registration, please, includes the Pi Network logo, which features the Pi symbol and grants Pi Network exclusive rights to its use, allowing them to take legal action against unauthorized use. The trademark registration is something special and very important for the project in its early development. This is a significant step for the project, enhancing its legal protection and reinforcing its brand within the cryptocurrency space, according to Binance. The fact that Pi Network registered its trademark in the United States Patent and Trademark Office gives this project first the trust to its community, and everyone out there in the world knows right now that Pi is no longer a scam, that it is a cryptocurrency and digital project which is there to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone by mining it on smartphones. Now, this happened in the US Patent and Trademark Office, and it is seen as a strategic move which strengthens Pi's effort in building a decentralized and accessible ecosystem for cryptocurrency mining and transaction. Transaction is quick because it uses Stellar Consensus Protocol that enables quick transactions to move faster than ever than Bitcoin or Ethereum. The transaction of Bitcoin can take like minutes, even Ethereum between 3 to 15 minutes. But with the Stellar Consensus algorithm, the transaction of Pi Network is so quick and it moves in seconds, between 1 to 3 seconds. So it's so quick that the world is experiencing something which is important in terms of finance and in terms of payments, because payments are done quickly. Talking about trademark registration, we can say that Pi Network's trademark registration with the USPTO, according to Binance, means that the core team have legal protection for the Pi Network name and logo in the United States. In a project which is accepted, recognized in the United States, I think that there is no elsewhere which the project can not be accepted, except to meet the guidelines and the rules of those countries apart from the United States. But when something is approved in the United States, it indicates that something is just legal. It's not a scamming project. It's not something that is going to mislead people so that it can result in losing their own money. No, it is not like that in Pi Network, because it is accepted in the United States. This registration gives the Pi Network the exclusive rights to use the trademark logo and name, preventing others from using it without permission. When a project has not yet registered its name, its logo, that means that any other project can register that name and even that logo, because it is not registered. Once a name and logo is registered, it means any other people, no any other project can do it later, because when they are going to register them, those names and logos are already registered. So Pi Network core team, has exclusive rights to the Pi Network as a name, to the Pi logo, and they are in the position of preventing others from using the Pi Network name and logo in a bad way. The trademark registration helps protect the Pi Network brand from potential misuse or infringement by others. It's what I've been talking about this registration. This registration grants the full control and the full protection of the Pi Network by core team. This means that there's no any other project can try, to make Pi Network and its logo as if they are their own. No, because there is already a project which is running with a very large community, above 70 millions of people all over the world, So Pi Network is something which is huge, which is big, which is legal, and the fact that it is recognized by the United States Patent and the Trademark Office means that this Pi Network is going to be also officially recognized all over the world, except some of the countries which have not yet accepted the crypto or virtual assets, but in the future, as the country are integrating themselves in this world of crypto, we are going to see the game changing situations everywhere, and Pi Network is going to lead all the cryptocurrencies that we have within this crypto world or space. This also strengthens legal position on the side of core team. It allows the Pi Network to take legal action against those who infringe on their trademark. A trademark is not something which is just heard as a trademark. Like I said, it's something which is legal. You can be penalized if you try to use the trademark of other companies. Whether you know that it belongs to other company or you don't know. The law punishes those ones who knows the fact that something owned by others, or even to those ones that don't know that something is owned by others are also penalized by the law, because the law is there to arbitrate the dispute or the conflicts between two parties. Let us talk about Pi Network announcement. There's an announcement about Onramp integration in the Pi wallet. There are many on-ramp companies, many projects, many companies that the pioneers can use to buy Pi, but via their Pi wallets in a Pi browser. And it is something which is good for some of the pioneers, because not all of the pioneers know how to use exchanges like OKX and others on which Pi is listed. But there are on-ramp partners which are now there in Pi wallet, and there are many, and they vary from a country to the other, because when you are in the United States, for example, there are some kinds of payments that are allowed there. When you are in UK, when you are India, when you are somewhere else, you might see that there are different on-ramp partners in your wallet that is different from someone else who is in another country. This is recognized by the Pi Network, and it has talked about it in a small announcement that is available in the interface of mobile phones on the mining app. But Pi reminds the pioneers that the only verified on-ramp partners are Onramp.money, Transfer, and Banxa. Any other on-ramp partner you can use is allowed because it is set there by the core team, but make sure that these three ones are the ones which are trusted, and this is done by the Pi core team. So to everyone who has Pi Network, to everyone who is mining, to everyone who has Pi in his Pi wallet, the important message for you is to protect your Pi. Please guard your Pi. Make sure that you can even lock for some time so that you can not get hungry and you find yourself selling them on these kind of prices that are on exchanges. We have to wait because Pi is going to burst in the future, and it is going to be something which is big and will result in a lot of money in the pockets and the wallets of the pioneers.